Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this simple clean girl autumnal look on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. So like this hair and this hair in only bangs, then this hair in the same color, position the X and Y to 0.55, Z to 0.68 and scale it to 0.19. For the outfit I am going to use this top here in brown, and then in this two in the same color. Select these leggings and color it this darker color 301812 in denim, and then you are going to get the coats leg warmers here in this color I think, and then we're going to get these boots in the brown color like this, and that is it. You can add more stuff if you'd like to, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.